Introducing the Community Forms feature in ADDA. As a resident of a residential community, whether you need permission for renovation work or a request for move-out, Community Forms has you covered. Members of the Community Management Team or Homeowners Association can now easily create custom forms, publish forms, track submissions, and attach payment to forms. Residents can view and submit forms from app. They can also make payments where required for certain forms and view history of previous submissions. Using the Community Forms module, forms can be set up according to requirements, for example for parking sticker, for getting clubhouse access cards, permission for renovations, etc. As a part of the Homeowners Association or Community Management Team, you will be able to create forms with various types of questions, which can be in the form of short answers, single choices, multiple choices, etc. In case there is payment required for a certain scenario, like when a resident is submitting a form requesting for clubhouse access card, there might be a payment required to be done. This can be configured too, and residents can make these payments while submitting these specific forms. Once these forms are created, residents can easily access them via the ADDA app under My Community Forms. No more chasing down paperwork or waiting for community office. You can submit your request anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. Want to know more? Talk to our sales team now.